Hello guys, welcome to FX Lab channel. My name is David. Today I want to show you how I make this image photo manipulation. Our application for this project is Adobe Photoshop. Without further ado, let's jump to it. First thing that we have to do is set up our canvas. For this project I will use US letter size with landscape orientation. After we set up canvas, then place our model image to the canvas. I skip how to place image. You are supposed to know how to place image on Photoshop. Then I place the image, resize it, make it a bit smaller. Then I rasterize this layer. I make duplicate this layer and flip it to the other side. Erase this line image. Make it blend to the other side. Then, we cut this, move to the top. And resize it, make it bigger. Erase this edge, make it blend to the background. Open cup image and edge out with pen tool. Then drag to the canvas. I resize, make it smaller, rotate a bit. We have to cut out this small part. I use lasso tool for this cutting. Rasterize this model image. Then, I scale it until fit into the cup. We have to masking here. And remove part on the shirt and pants. So that model look inside the cup. Only his hand outside the cup. I think we should make it both model and cup a bit small. Adjust a bit background. And stretch it to the top. I think we have to add some shadow here. I adjust a bit flow pressure, so that the shadow not too dark. Then I think we have to split this cup. Make one side above the water, and other side inside the water. I think the cloud seemed dark to me, so we have to add some white color, make it a little bright. I see some line here, then erase it. I want to add some dodge burn effect around the cup. So I fill the cup with 50% gray color and blend it with overlay, then brush it with burn tool. And add some adjustment curve here, adjust a little bit contrast. Similar to this model, add some adjustment curve. Make this model blend to the environment. On this model I think we should add some burn effect. Make it look pop up. Then we should reduce the saturation a bit. I add some color balance to blend all three different elements: model, cup, and the sea. I think we should add some contrast on all layer. I add some gradient overlay at rectangle shape, so it will make overall color contrast. You see the cloud is too dark. Why not we add some white color, make little bright. Adjust a bit color balance. Add selective color adjustment to the layer. With this tool, I can adjust with specific color. I go to cyan color. I want to crank up a little bit, so the sea and cup look more vibrant. Fish underwater look similar on the left and right side. So I want to make this fish duplicate and place it randomly around the sea. I erase this fish because it looks so duplicate with the other side fish. I think we have to adjust a bit cyan color. It looks better now. We add some burn effect more on the model and the cup. Now I think we should add some splash water effect. I use brush water splash and splash it here. We have to warp transform, make it blend with other elements on the canvas. I add some curve adjustment on top of the layer to make it overall contrast. Tweaking a little bit on splash water, masking both above water and underwater effect. Brushing around masking make it blend. Adjust contrast model image, make it brighter. And make a little blur at background. Add some title for this project. Let's say, Traveling to Nowhere. That's it for this video. Hopefully you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you again, bye bye.